So, how should I structure my campaign?
Okay, so basically, I can tell you in the dollar amounts, and you can convert that into
Yeah, yeah,
Indian rupees.
that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so if you are just example using the $10 budget per campaign, so in
Mm-hmm.
each of the campaign, you can create at least three ad sets with the CBO objective. And for
Okay.
each of the ad set, you can create two to three ads at the same time. But use the post IDs instead of like using simply the duplicates of those ones. So that thing will not work for you. So what you need to do is to just get the post ID of that image and start using that one. And that will help you for,
Is it
let
that
me do that.
post ID is something like once we run the ad, we get it like
No, no, not from. So just example, you have created an ad and added the post there. Just example, this ad one. So from here, instead of after creating the ad, use this option, use post ID. So
okay.
now for this ad one, this is your post ID. So this one. So you can copy it. First of all, publish it. Then in the second ad set, for again add one, again ad setup, use existing post, and then enter post ID, put the same post ID, so this one, and publish. And do this for all of the ad sets. So now what we'll do, so just example, if from this ad set you got 5 likes, from this one you got two comments, from this one you got again the shares. So those all will be combined to one post. So you will build the social proof with this one. So all those things will be cumulative at a single point,
Okay.
and the results will be more.
Handle just one thing. Like, can you guide me again? Like, have you used because like the same image like I'm using on the Facebook. So do I have to like put the post like on my Facebook page and run the ad using those post ID or like or is there any other way to get the post ID? These let's say like because like I have posted the same video on my page as well. So I have to get the post ID from there.
No, basically because this is the ad post and you have added the call to action button, this one, so this cannot be posted on your Facebook page. If you are
Okay.
simply creating the engagement campaign, then you can use the Facebook page post here.
So can you guide me again like how to get the post ID? Like,
Sure.
it was too
Sure.
fast.
So
I
just
didn't.
example for this
Mhm.
one add to, you have already created this add to. So simply instead of create ad under the ad setup, simply click on this one, use existing post. Each of the posts and each of the ads that you have run, everyone have their individual post ID. In that way, like your results will be multiplied, the engagements will be multiplied, and you can easily like build the social proof.